Hi, welcome to this channel. In this video we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp fingerprint lock in case you want to protect a chat from people to see it. First we need to open WhatsApp, then you need to open the chat you want to lock. Now proceed to press on the contact's name. Here you need to scroll down until you see this option. Chat lock, click on it. If your cell phone has a fingerprint recognition feature, you will see this option. Press on it to turn it on. And now it will ask you to use your fingerprint to confirm this action. Scan your fingerprint and now this WhatsApp chat is locked. If we go back to the chats window, you will see an option on the top that says locked chats. Here's where you will find your protected chats. If you want to see those chats, click on it, scan your fingerprint to unlock them, and there you go. This is how to use WhatsApp fingerprint lock. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.